Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Chilly, gorgeous morning. So today, just a little video about compact. So I was doing me like little routine checks on this car. Normally once every couple of weeks, you know, it just crops into your head. I'll check the oil, check the water, yeah, I checked the went to check the oil. So actually, I just, for whatever reason, I opened, you know, the oil filler cap, opened it up, and it was all creamy round the top. I thought, oh, hello. But then I thought, well, on my 7 Series years ago, that used to get a bit of a creamy cap. And the first thought is egg gasket, great. So I thought, right, let's have a look at the oil on the dipstick. So that's the bit that you're worried about. But then there was a bit of cream, nothing major on the dipstick. I think with these older BMWs, what I didn't realise, when you're studying the dipstick as well, they're kind of like a dark browny red colour, the dipstick. Bit of a weird colour. They're not black, but they're a very weird, kind of very dark brown, kind of almost red. But on certain parts of the dipstick, there's light areas, which obviously shows the oil to be a different colour. So I didn't know if it was that. I did it quite a few times, but to me it looked like cream. So like I say, the instances, you know, the oil level was fine. The you know, the water level, I've topped the water up a little bit, but the water was still where it should be. So obviously you're panicking a bit there. So obviously you think, yeah, egg gasket's starting to go, like, you know, the car's now on 91,000. So I thought, right, well, I have been doing, you know, I've been off work, so I've been doing shorter journeys. The car hasn't been, you say, you know, a short journey for a car is considered less than 10 miles. I've just been like whipping my lad to the station and that, so you know, that's not giving the car a chance to warm up properly. The water might say it's warmed up properly, but the engine isn't properly warmed up. So is it a build-up of condensation? Because, you know, you've got to go for the other aspects of head gasket as well, haven't you? You've got to say, like, got my lad stand behind the back, warmed it up, revved it. There was no plumes of white smoke. You can't hear any like bubbling or fizzing from the radiator when you turn it off. The radiator, the rad coolant still looks to be, dare I say, coolant water coloured. So that's a good sign. Oil mixing with water. So I'm hoping it is just condensation. So I took it for a few little, dare I say, spirited drives to warm it up, but obviously you're not getting that mileage. And there was still little aspects of cream on the filler cap after the drive, because obviously oil's splashing up. You know, you inspect inside of the torch, you can see the chains and the guide, the chain and the guide, sorry. And obviously it doesn't look like there's any cream on that. So I was like, So I went to work the other day and gave it, you know, that's a good 30 miles. And luckily, there didn't seem to be anything. So I'm just hoping, it is literally just the time of year, the mornings are getting cold and short journeys. You always have the worry as well, don't you, with cars of this age, of, you know, how long is it going to last? You know, it's you know, this little 4-banger, when you read up, wasn't the best in the terms of reliability. It's like the old IS twin cam, TI twin cam out of the old compacts. They were bulletproof. I had 2 of them and they just took everything. Right guys, so as you can see here, I've just had a little look. It's not as bad today. That's slightly creamy there. But I've literally, again, just done a 10-minute drive to the station. That's condensation. But when I'd done the work run the other day, which is, the car's had a 30-mile round trip, I'd wiped all that, and that has gone. If you look closer inside, there's nothing in there. So I'm hoping it's me just being a little flapper, and it is just literally condensation, because it's wet this morning. It's cold, as you can see. The car has got moisture, and there's going to be moisture build up under there. So hopefully it's me just being a little flapper. So there we go, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And yeah, as always, remember, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.